There are three financial documents that dominate the whole stock market world. My last stock video was on the balance sheet. If you haven't checked it out, then I've left the link down for you guys in the description box. This week's video is all about the second one, the income statement. So by the end of this video, my objective is for you guys to know the difference between a good income statement and a bad one. But first, I need you to show me some love. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe with the notification bell on if you haven't done so already. Right, an income statement is probably the most popular financial document out of the three that investors like to look at. And the reason why I think this is because how simple it is to actually read an income statement. It's very basic, guys. Now, extracting the information from it to distinguish whether it's a good or bad one, now that's a different task. But for today, I'm going to be talking about ITV Stocks. So this is a stock that is placed currently right now in the London Stock Exchange, FTSE 100 in particular. It shows you in layman terms how much revenue, cost, and lastly, the profit the company has made in that financial year. But as you can see, there are several variances of the term profit to look at. As far as I'm concerned, I focus on only one profit term, and this is the one that matters the most, guys. It's the net profit, otherwise called the net income or the net earning. In this case, it's actually called the profit for the year. Why? Because this is the actual profit that the company gets to keep in their pocket. So after all the deductions, the taxes, paying off their employees, all of that stuff, this is the profit the company can then move forward with. However, just looking at the profit alone is not good enough, guys. You need to take it one step further. You need to look at the stock's progression over time. What makes a good income statement is when a stock has a proven track record of its profits increasing, revenues increasing, and if I'm nitpicking, the cost decreasing each and every year up to the most recent year. Don't get me wrong, I know this is quite hard for a lot of stocks to achieve, but it should be something that you aim for at the very least. And the reason why I like to look for the growth is because that is the one thing that can financially cripple any high-flying stock, guys. It's complacency. So the stocks I like to invest in, this is the three things that I look for to confirm that it's actually growing. Taking this into account for ITV Place's stocks, looking just at the last 2 years, you can see that the revenue does increase from 2018 to 2019, and so does the profit too, which is a good sign. Even though the operating costs actually went up compared to last year, I do accept that it's a hard task for a stock to grow without incurring more costs. So this is one I'm willing to understand. And what also makes a good income statement is the net profit versus the market cap. I've mentioned this several times before. The market cap basically shows investors how much it will cost them if they were to buy all the remaining shares in that stock at that current share price. So effectively, it's kind of like a valuation of the entire stock. And so comparing the net profit to the market cap, what it basically tells you is how good a stock is at making money for every pound if you were to invest in it. It's basically a measure of profitability, and therefore there's a formula to it. And it's basically the net profit divided by the market cap times 100%. I like this value to be 10% or more. But if everything else is good for that stock, but that one thing, the very lowest I would go down to is 6.5%. So in this case, the net profit for ITV Place is around £0.478 billion, whilst at the time of recording this, they have a market cap of £2.55 billion. So this gives a value of 18.7%. Just from looking at that income statement, that is a profitable stock that I'll be happy investing in, guys. And the best thing now is that you guys can also find some highly profitable stocks by looking at their income statements too. But before I leave, remember to leave a like down below, share this video too, and subscribe with notification bell on if you haven't done so already. Above all, have a great day, people. It's your favorite YouTuber, guys, DSLM Finance, Financial Educate. You guys too, freedom for the beginners, buy for the beginner, every Sunday at 3 p.m. Bye, guys. DS Learning Finance. Whoa.